of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride. A manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. And I kinda like that. Came from different sides of the crosstown tracks. Guess it's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt you'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said? I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. You made a country club pool feel like Malibu Beach. Sure, your parents had money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know,
Mami, oh. Mami walks on the ano, oh. Ako din. Nag-live, oh. Wow. Ano namang ginagawa? Ba't ka galing? Oh, halika na. Wow. Wow. Ah, diba? Kaya? Nakit na! Wow! Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Yes. Hi, good morning. Morning vlog. Welcome to my guys. Kain. Hey. Happy kain. Hi. Hello. Ko lang kayo. Yes.
Kasi nabutan namin, lalaglag mo lang yan, meron siyang tingga.
Welcome. Hi. Hi.
Hey, hey.
Swimming ka ulit?
Tayo swimmer.
Yes.
We were born swimmers.
Wow. In our mother's womb.
Oo, di ba? Doktor yan.
Best friend, Jacob.
Josh. Josh ba? Tama ba?
Why you crying, Jacob? Char.
Daddy!
Happy birthday.
To you!
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ang wish mo kay Sir Ian.
Happy birthday to you! Right, very good.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Medyo tumagal ang ating... Medyo matagal na sundan yung ating training. Girls! Good morning!
Isla Verdes. Isla Verde. Yan o. Kaway-kaway.
Side trip muna.
Ha.
Hi! Woo! Okay guys, 5 km na. Ngayon naman, magpe-prepare naman tayo sa morning dive. Good morning guys. Gab is ready to swim. Say good morning, Babab. Tahimik.
Hi, vlogs.
Hi baby. Good morning, love. Glurb, let's go. Swimming na po si Gab, pati yung sapatos niya. Swimming na po kami. Wow. Mahina yung hangin sa harap. Happy? Happy ka? Oo.
Wow! Awal din ng Pampi appears. Wow! Hi, Gab. How's our little swan? Natatakot siya. Wow. Wow. Ciao.
Huh? Hello? Thank you. Come. Hello! Did you swim?
I know. I know. Lisa, right?
Lalapit. Ito yung gamit mo. Basta hinihisan. Safe pa yan. Or pwede sa hinihisan.
Uy, pahingin ng sunscreen.
Hindi mo ako tinawag. Sana kasama ko doon.
Kasama yung lotion.
Kamusta kayo?
Ako na, ako bahala.
Sana nag-enjoy ka ga para ka na namang inantok eh. Si ate nag-enjoy yan. Lalo na swimming yan. Nangasim yung mata niya ng alat. Hi.
Hi, vlogs.
Hi. Hi. Yan. Muna kami. At babalik na lang kami doon. Kinayo ang water dito. At the same time, sabad lakas ng alon. Kumusta?
Tired.
Tired?
Good weather, good visibility.
Si Ribu. Hi!
Okay. Mabaho.
Hi!
See you next time.
See you next dive! Bago na yung ano niyan.
Sabay mag-jogging din ako.
Ah, sige. Sige, pag nakita niyo nag-add kami, yon, may sapatos yon. Hi! Ikaw ulit. Okay ka lang ba dyan? Hi guys, pauwi na po kami lahat. Yan. Bago kami umuwi, may dadaanan lang kami. Ayan, ito yung inakit namin kanina.
Doon pala nila, sabi ng
Parang may kapamil.
Yes! Happy ang baby namin na yan. Dito kami sa Malabrigo Lighthouse. Segway muna kami. Ang view niyan dito sa likod ay yan, dagat. Nakikita ang Isla Verde. Yan, hindi na kami papasok sa loob. Kasi wala kaming pahintulot.
extra ka pala.
Yun o, guwapo. Timunan si Hampi. Yan. Hey, kapunta rin sa cafe, din pa. Oo nga eh.
Sino naman ba?
Bye-bye. Tukan.
Tapos pa. Ito pa lang pala.